Hi guys, today we're going to be installing my brand new set of 510 series coilovers courtesy of FortuneAuto USA on my 1993 Mazda RX7 FD3S. But first, if you're new to the channel, I am Angry Earl. I've been drifting rotary powered cars for about 15 years now, all throughout the Pacific Northwest and Northern California. You can check me out on Instagram at TheAngryEarl, as well as my drift team page at Motor House Lust. Our online store actually just launched, so feel free to check that out. We have stickers, merch, as well as rare JDM goods for sale. You can check that out at motorhouselust.com. Lastly, if you enjoy drift related content, please give the video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. We definitely appreciate the support, so as a show of thanks, please stay tuned towards the end of the video. I'm going to be doing a super fun giveaway to one lucky subscriber. With that said, let's get started. Alright dudes, not even gonna lie, the intro and outro vid I shot took like an hour to shoot just because I was being a super perfectionist about it. I don't even know why. So I hope it turns out good. And I just went through the footage really quick. I look shinier and sweatier than normal, but whatever. So this isn't exactly going to be a how-to video. I'm assuming most of you guys know how to raise your car and jack up your car and take out your old shocks and springs. This is going to be a fun point of view thing of me installing the coilovers. So here we go. Heavy breathing intensifies. And then you're gonna take your 10-year-old super sketchy, probably recalled Harbor Freight jack stands and pray that today is not the day that they're going to fail and crush you. Dang. Dang. All right, let's get the wheels off. All right, wheels off. Again, we're installing the FortuneAuto 510s today. I ran the 500 series about a year back and upgraded them. Now these are some janky spare coilovers that I had on there that I've just been rolling around in for a little bit. We're going to be taking those pieces of shits off, installing the new hotness. Drift car undercarriages are usually not the prettiest. However, the level of sketchiness, hopefully this doesn't catch up to me, but my control arm has a sick grind groove on it. I need some grind plates for my ex-fruit booters and rollerbladers out there. Dang, that's a sick groove. That's from my wheel hitting it full lock. So sorry to the guys that I clickbaited and got to thinking that this was going to be a super instructional install video of how to install coilovers on your FD. I actually haven't seen a stock FD for over 5 years now, so I don't even know what the hell your guys' stuff looks like. I know what mine looks like, so looks like that. I know there's going to be a lot of undercarriage covers and OEM covers over here that go here. I have never actually worked on one with all that OEM stuff. I like to have easy access to everything. Woo-hoo-hoo. Man, that ride is scary. I'm gonna need to get a hookup, please, and lower control arm. Maybe some powered by Max ones. PBM. Boy up, please. Or at least replace them with OEM ones. That is sketch. But that's about 50%, right? 50% life ain't bad. That's like orange or yellow. It was a video game. Yikes, big yikes. For what it's worth, I have been driving and drifting on these gnarly control arms for 5 years now. So that's 5 years worth of grindage. Yeah, it's like half done. Fuck, man, I'll definitely address that towards the end of the year, but hopefully it stays together up until the winter refresh mode. Woo. Woo. Nope, big nope. That ain't gonna work. For those guys wondering, I am running just chopped knuckles with stock tie rods and ends. More than enough an angle for me. These are actually cut and welded by a guy named Sheck Welds about 5 years back. And I colored them cute 787B renowned livery. Adorable. Yeah, I like them. I like simple setups. I street drive to the track and back. So I like to use stuff readily available. Cool. Keep it simple, stupid. Again, I am by no means a mechanic. So everything I'm doing right now, do at your own risk. Don't have your parents be suing me, please. All right. Nice. Probably clean all these off. So hopefully, what the fuck? See, that's one of the things I love and hate about the FD. Mazda did such a good job lightening the car, but they sacrificed, in my opinion, so much structural integrity. Look at this. The sheet metal just bends, taking the control arm out. What the F, man? Sick, dude. Japanese Zero Fighter plane status. Awesome. All right, jankiness out. Cool. All right. Side-by-side comparison between the crappy old one and the new hotness. Wait, nope. Dang. Let's go low. I'm actually gonna want to go high. I don't want to go low. I like to go high, please. Probably raise the car about 2 inches, 1.5 inches, maybe 2 inches. Trying to go for that Kansai effect, Kansai rake. Hashtag Crimea River. Hashtag progress your driving. Hopefully. So going back into the box, I like that the collars have a locking hex head as opposed to another smaller collar. That makes it so much easier. I like it, FortuneAuto. I love it. Make sure you stay hydrated. I'm thirsty. Man, working on your car without music or Rogan sucks. What am I doing? All right, we are back. Cleaned up the strut towers a little bit and got the coilover started in there. Oh, that hurts. Again, sketchy grind groove we got going on here. I'll address that when I do the off-season refresh, but geez, sketch. It's about half, right? It's like half plus this. That should be Gucci, right? Oh my goodness. I'm going to LOL at the comment section below. Drifters do some sketchy stuff, but I'm getting old. Hopefully that holds up until the winter refresh, and I'll get brand new control arms in there, or hopefully get some custom joints made. Part Shop Max, hit me up. Somebody, help! Hook a brother up. A few moments later. All right, got the coilover start up top. Secure the nuts up there a little bit. And time to bolt up the upper control arm. Bolt slide that bitch in there. Cool. Fucking cool. We're in. We are in there like swimwear. It's gotta tighten everything up, and of course do the other side. Cool. I'm not gonna show the other side because it's kind of redundant. So I'm gonna fast forward to the rears, starting from here. So I'm in the rear. Unbolt the top, unbolt the bottom. Sou so swa. Sit. Fucking tight, light. Garbage coils. All right. Boop boop. And then like the little eye over here, that needs to be filled to be safe, right? You don't want to be threading past that.
Yeah. You want to see the thread.
I was like,
it's just kind of a gauge.
Yeah, that's like sketch.
That's a lot already.
Yeah.
You should check it. Yeah, usually what you do is you bring this to this, and then you adjust, and then you bring it back up.
Yup. 16.
Just a little bit more. Another like maybe 3 turns, 3 full turns. 1, 2.
Alright, coilovers in. Just gotta tighten everything. Freaking dope. Not much of a install vid, like I said. If it's one thing I miss about FCs, it's the simplicity of the suspension. This FDs have like double wishbone everything. It's like race car shit, but it's so complicated, man. So complicated. Freaking cool. All right, so almost done with this side. I got the other side mounted up already too. I love these locking collar Allen wrench heads. Definitely saves you from having busted knuckles from tightening that. So I'm just gonna hand tighten this stuff, put it on the ground, see where I'm at, and then from there adjust as necessary. Awesome. Thanks again, FortuneAuto, for the 510s. Can't wait to try these out and rip them around the track. Super excited to try out the softer spring rates and see what this baby does. Awesome. And then I'm just gonna do the same thing on the other side. Wow, it looks not bad. It looks like it actually functions. Not bad. Not bad. All right, maiden voyage with the new settings. All right, BRB. It feels so good. It feels so good. So much response. Like I can actually feel the suspension. Fucking stoked, man. Thank you, FortuneAuto. Feels good. I need to get alignment though. My shit's like cocked to the 10 o'clock position. I'm always drifting. Feels good, man. Feels good. Thanks so much for watching the video, guys. Please smash that like and subscribe button if you enjoyed it. Again, as a show of thanks, I am actually giving away an Origin Labo bandaid sticker that I got from Chunky Bai himself from TokyoAutoSalon during our trip to Japan this past year. All you have to do is like the vid, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below on who your all-time favorite drift car and driver is. That's it. I'll be picking and announcing the random lucky winner sometime next week, so stay tuned. Happy motoring!